Hello everyone, my name is Michael Febriantoli. So today I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera juice. But first, I will tell you a few fun facts about aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the oldest mentioned plants on record due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. Ancient Chinese and Egyptian used aloe vera for medicine. There are more than 200 species of aloe vera, and it contains more than 200 nutrients. So many people consume aloe vera as a juice because aloe vera has a lot of benefits such as improving digestion, boosting immunity, helping treat cancer sores, it has antioxidants and antibacterial, it's good for skin and hair, cures menstrual problem, reduce blood sugar level, and many else. So what is the reason a lot of people consume this aloe vera juice? It is because aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. Aloe vera juice is a rich source of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals. It reduces the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer. Aloe vera juice is also an excellent source of vitamin C. So why I make this video? In this case, I want to tell you that aloe vera has a lot of benefits and can be consumed as a juice. But how can we make the aloe vera juice? Here are some steps on how to make aloe vera juice. Check it out. So today I will demonstrate you how to make aloe vera juice right at home. It is delicious, very healthy, and very easy to make. Let's begin the process. First, make sure you have prepared all the ingredients and the tools, such as 1 aloe vera leaf, 2 pieces of mint leaves, a cup, a glass, water, a tea strainer, a blender, and don't forget a ginger and lime. Last ingredients is honey. Second, I will use knife to peel off the skin of aloe vera. So be careful guys because it is very slippery. Peel the aloe vera like this. Let's turn it over and remove the back side as well. And now we have aloe vera gel in our hand. The next step is we are simply going to clean it off by dipping in water, making sure that we clean it very thoroughly. Once the aloe vera is completely clean, we move to step 4. Fourth, let's cut the aloe vera into small pieces and put it in the blender. Next, I'm going to add some ginger to the blender. I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover it up and then blend it. After blend it, I will take some tea strainer and pour our juice into the top of tea strainer. After we have a clean juice of aloe vera, take some lime and cut it into 2 pieces like this, like that, and squeeze it into aloe vera drink. It not only helps with the taste, but it gives you extra vitamin C. And then add 2 teaspoons of honey. 1, 2. Mix everything in. And then add some chilled water. The last one is add some ice into the aloe vera juice. And then add some mint leaves like this. The function of mint leaf, it it smells good and looks spectacular and stylish. Here it is, healthy drink aloe vera juice. Cheers. It's actually pretty refreshing. Information, if you want to know more about this aloe vera juice recipes, I am using reference from indianhealthyrecipes.com. You can find it on internet, or you can just click on the link that I have typed on the information box below. So if you want to have a good health, I suggest you to consume this aloe vera juice for a few times a week. If instead you want to have a good skin and hair, you should use this aloe vera gel directly to the skin and hair. And don't forget, make sure you have cleaned the resin well, because the resin contains latex, which can irritate your skin. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment, share. Take care, bye bye.